Where the rush of wind and tide meets stone, we will build a straight line. Where the ancient record of cataclysm and rest rears up, we will bore a tunnel. From the evanescence of pure consciousness in flux, we will build material darkness. And out of the dream of material creation, a land to push against. The earth is dynamic, both inside and out. And in understanding stories of tropical seas and scorching deserts of geological processes in operation, fissures and shafts where sediments of microfauna remains. The earth is dynamic, both inside and out. Straight-tusked elephant and saber-toothed tiger, cave bear and earliest man, a whole range of Pleistocene mammal species would have wied the geology, a landscape elsewhere in the world untouched by glaciation, revealing stories unseen, subsequent controversies about the antiquity of human beings we find around us today as how it is. The area of the English Riviera significant karst development, Geopark, provides one of the longest records of no glacial Pleistocene events. Hippopotami and mammoth not only, raised beaches and drowned forests in southwest England, but also in Western Europe, emigrated in response to repeated climatic and environmental changes. Situated beyond the southern limits thus developed, here have been a resounding resonance of the region laid centrally in a zone across which faunal remains and artifacts have accumulated by a variety of agencies, has been aided by the alkaline conditions, and a landscape untouched by glaciation revealing stories unseen elsewhere in the world. In the grand scheme of things, our view that we are standing on solid ground is deceptive. In the grand scheme of things, our view that we are standing on solid ground is deceptive. In the grand scheme of things, our view grand scheme of things. In the grand scheme of things, our view that we are standing on solid fished and swam. We will build a pleasure beach. In our tabulation of the eons of our past, we will build a geopark. Against the sedimentary grain of manifest time, in crystal beds, we will cause the cloud to darken, and then we will bring the light of the future. Where the rush of wind and tide meets stone, we will build a straight line. Where the ancient record of cataclysm and rest rears up, we will bore a tunnel. From the evanescence of pure consciousness in flux, we will build material darkness. And out of the dream of material creation, a land to push against.